spending my day with the friendliest and cutest baby goats on the farm. They completely surrounded me and wanted all the attention. If this wholesome farm moment made you smile, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming animal stories and daily farm life adventures.